Sanibonani, Dumelanga, Absheni, back again, back with another video. Yes, Fafethu, let's talk about it. Orlando Pirates Escudini, or should I say, Orlando Amstel Arena, Orlando Pirates 2. Yes, Bafethu. Imagesi iphelele ugesi bafethu. Sibaqedile first half. That was it. 2 goals. It was enough. 2-0 scoreline, final scoreline. The game was practically over in the first half. 2 first-half goals from Umbuthuma and Mfukeng. Recalled by the way, both of them. Yeah, bafethu. Individual performances. Sipho Chayene, another clean sheet. Didn't have nothing to do today. Except ukuthi nje ule washawa amajaqamba nje ukatashaya i-stretch katafuna i-stretch niyamazi that was into katayenza leyo. Back 4, same back 4 again continue ne-back 4. Van Rooyen, even though he was taken out, it was the same back 4 Utundaba, Sibisi, Nosiema. The midfield, Umbatha in Makaula, it was the same old, but changes were made going forward. Buffett. Changes were made. We saw Mfukeng coming in for Utito. Umbuthuma came in for Umakhopa, who was nowhere to be seen today. Nowhere to be seen. Apolis, he came on. Who did Apolis come on? Oh, came on for Usibelebele. We know he started the last game. Usibelebele didn't impress me going forward, but moved to right back. That's why a lot of people are saying he's better playing as a right back or as a full back, because he knows how to bomb forward. But yeah, end product ayikho lapha bafethu. But honestly speaking, Orlando Pirates, we should have hammered imagesi bafethu. I'm sorry, bekumele sifake amagoli amaningi lapha. 5-0 scoreline was there to be taken for, but missed chances. Mbuthuma missed chances bafethu. That first half, the best first half I've seen this season for the Pirates bafethu. Pure football, total football. Lidlalwa phansi, liyatapetwa. Mfukeng, that first half unplayable. Mfana wama 2000, president wama 2000. Aye boy, that was close to being a perfect 10 out of 10 performance for Mfukeng in that first half. Alone in that first half, playing as a 10. Ninjelile bafethu. Play Mfukeng as a 10, advanced position as a 10. Bench Tito ungamfaka kola magame amanye namanye, but start Mfukeng as a 10. On the wings, cool, but as a 10 he is more effective. He will get more goals, he will get assists. Sabayazi game yakhe untwana bayayicaba igame yakhe from esayidini ukuthi where are his strengths and weaknesses. The first goal, Mbuthuma. What a finish, son. But end product yakho mfana. After that, you were nowhere to be seen. I'm sorry. Umbuthuma is a waste, bafethu. That's why I cannot trust Umbuthuma. Trust him throughout this journey or title race, because Sundowns, Sundowns, they will keep on winning their games. I'm telling you. And never shang a goal difference. That's why I needed 5 goals or more. But we couldn't. We scored 2 goals. Niyazi SA players, South African players, end product asinayo. Debut De Jong. I like what I'm saying, bafethu. I listen. Umlungu from New Zealand, he's just came in. First game yakhe for Orlando Pirates. He has had to adjust to the way we are playing the ball. But he's been in South Africa for how many years now? 3 years now. You should know the kind of football. You should know ukuthi acclimatization yala eMzansi injani. You should know the language. You should know ukuthi ibhola lidlalwa phansi la. And honestly speaking, De Jong might be the missing piece for me. Striker position, bafethu. Sure, Mbuthuma scored, cool. But going forward, Nina bafethu, who would you trust? De Jong or Mbuthuma? Me, I'll choose a seasoned professional, De Jong. He's played for Stellenbosch, he's played ICAF, he's played against Pirates, he's played against Chiefs, Sundowns. I believe he scored against all of them. So give him more game time. Ngiyazi ukuthi angeke acala ama-game instantly uDe Jong, but the moment he gets his first goal, that's the moment I believe we are going to make a strong challenge for e-league bafethu. Sure, singu-number 2 joint first bashaya nge-goal difference laba baseTswane, but De Jong for mina, he has to be the starting striker. Makgopa niyamazi Makgopa, on and off njengogesi wase-Eskom, niyamazi Mbuthuma, on and off njengogesi wase-Eskom. De Jong, I'm not gonna say much because he's coming from a Stellenbosch. He's coming into a new environment. Msendane, another one. DJ Khaled settings, debut, didn't do much. That second half was done whenever he came on. He didn't do much, let's be honest. The only thing he did, leya cross come short yakhe yenzela uDe Jong. If uyakwazi ukuslice ibhola bafethu, hayi ukuthi uphase straight, man udlala cross the ball, bend it, cross it on the floor, that would have been a tap in, but he didn't tap it in. uDe Jong, that was his only chance. Msendane, only opportunity he had creative wise. But man of the match for me now bafethu Mfokeng, President Tema 2000. That goal, blood. Chef kiss. That goal. Passed it through the net. Don't try to hit it hard. Don't try to be overzealous. Place kahle ibhola ngathi uyamphasa ugoalkeeper. That goal. well, I'm not gonna say it, but what a goal bafethu. So bafethu, Orlando Pirates 2, Magesi 0. I don't know. The league is tight. Nalaba baseSoweto basemuva kwethu, you know. I could have done ama shorts video, reaction video to Kaizer Chiefs, Mamelodi Sundowns, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna go to the enemy right now because Melling Nuggets ase Kaya Lam, Melling Nuggets ase Amstel Arena. 2-0 bafethu. We go to the next game. Look, the league has to be a priority. Nedbank Cup, cool. If you wanna play Nedbank Cup, I suggest you mix it up with Nedbank Cup. But league, kumele kube consistent in terms of ama lineup. In terms of a lineup, I've been saying it. The back 4 years, it's not settled. Undaba, unendaba enkulu wena. Sometimes we casual now, but Undaba looks like he's the starting left back right now, ahead of Ohoto. CM and Osibisi, that's pretty much signed and sealed. That's the center back pairing going forward. Right back, Van Rooyen didn't play the whole match. Started again, didn't finish the match. Sibelebele came in there, so that's gonna be interesting. Sibelebele no Van Rooyen on the right hand side. That's got to be the fighting spot on that right hand side position. Sazi ukuthi ubani, but there it is. Midfield position, Makaula Nombata. Keep it like that. Namtajela, Namatic. Masindi Namatic. Back. Umese Lomuto. Masindi. Namatic. No. Mumish. Should have scored on your first touch yako. You should have scored that. Upegane Nepala, the Ipala Lingaga bafethu. Puts it out wide. Masindi, come on. Niyazi bafethu. Going forward bafethu, I want Mfokeng as a starting 10. Left hand side, Moremi. Right hand side, Apolis. They can switch whenever they want. Striking position, that's the problem. De Jong, come on. You need 2 games. I need 2 games from you. Then uqale from there on. Makgopa, I know you're gonna make an impact off the bench. Mbuthuma, I know you're gonna make an impact off the bench. Whether you start or not, you've got to score. Take your chances. This is Orlando Pirates. We need to win this cup. No. We need to win this league, bafethu. Comment down below. Like the video. Subscribe to your boy. Please like the video. and I'm out. Pirates 2-0. We move.